Welcome to the 4D brand system. In this masterclass, you will learn how to build a brand that is not just visible, but multi-dimensional. A brand that is seen, heard, experienced, and worn. The core problem. Most brands today are visible. They post consistently, they have logos, they run ads. But visibility without structure is noise, and noise does not scale. The 4D philosophy. A powerful brand operates across dimensions. It is not just something people see, it is something they understand, feel, remember, and identify with. That requires structure. Framework overview. The 4D brand system is built on 4 pillars. D1, seen, D2, heard, D3, experienced, D4, worn. When these 4 dimensions align, authority becomes inevitable. D1, seen, visual authority. Dimension 1 is seen. This is your visual infrastructure. Logos do not build brands. Systems build brands. Consistency builds recognition. Recognition builds trust. Visual infrastructure. Your visual authority requires hierarchy, core identity, campaign assets, content systems, conversion assets. Without structure, design becomes decoration. D2, heard, narrative authority. Dimension 2 is heard. If your brand cannot explain itself clearly, the market will misunderstand it. Narrative is not storytelling for entertainment, it is positioning. Story architecture. Every strong brand has an origin, a conflict it solves, a vision it represents, and an impact it promises. Clarity creates authority. D3, experienced. Experiential authority. Dimension 3 is experienced. Brands are remembered through experience, not advertisements. What people feel around your brand determines what they remember about it. Experience design. Experience is intentional. Emotion, environment, energy, engagement. If you do not design the experience, it happens by accident. D4, worn. Identity authority. Dimension 4 is worn. When your audience wears your brand, physically or symbolically, they become ambassadors. Identity creates loyalty. Philosophy to product. Strong merchandise begins with belief. Belief becomes message. Message becomes symbol. Symbol becomes product. And product becomes movement. The 4D loop. When seen, heard, experienced, and worn connect, your brand becomes self-reinforcing. Each dimension strengthens the next. This is how ecosystems are built. Implementation. To begin implementing, define your position, audit your visuals, clarify your narrative, design your experience, build your identity system. Structure replaces confusion. A powerful brand is not just visible, it is multi-dimensional. Build brands that are seen, heard, experienced, and worn. This is the 4D brand system.
Branding is not decoration, it is architecture. The brands that dominate culture are not simply visible, they are structured. They are seen with clarity, heard with authority, experienced with intention, and worn with pride. When these 4 dimensions align, a brand stops being a business and becomes a movement. This is the difference between selling products and building identity. And this is the foundation of the 4D brand system. Brought to you by the MINDSETT Ecosystem, where creativity meets structure and brands are built to live beyond the moment. MINDSETT, brand systems and creative direction.